Have you ever sat down at the keyboard, excited to play your favorite worship song, but you always feel stuck? You fumble with the chords, your left hand feels clumsy, and it just doesn't sound right. What if I told you it's not your fault? You're probably making one of three common mistakes that trap almost every beginner. I know because I made all those mistakes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these three mistakes are. And more importantly, we will know how to fix them today. So let's dive in. So the first mistake, what I call is the chord chase. This is when you learn a bunch of chords like C, G, A minor and F, but you can't switch between them smoothly. Your playing sounds choppy and it kills the flow of worship. So let's fix this. This is called the anchor method. So instead of moving your entire hand of every chord, find a finger that stays on the same note or the same area of the keyboard. For example, moving between C and G. Your thumb can be your anchor. This reduces the distance your hand has to travel and makes your changes lightning fast. So let me show you. So this is your C chord, and this finger you should keep always like an anchor mode, and when you switch you can easily switch there. C. And when you have to switch F, it's so easy. That is how your thumb finger can be in an anchor mode. So let's figure out the mistake number 2, the static left hand. Here you are playing chords with your right hand, but your left hand is just sitting there, but it doesn't add any rhythm or any depth. So this making you feel empty and unprofessional. So let's fix this one, and this is called the boom chick rhythm. This is the secret sauce for 90% of modern worship music. Your left hand plays a simple repeating pattern, a low root note that's called the boom, and then the higher chord, the chick. It looks like this. When you start playing like this, you're not just playing chords. You're creating a foundation. You're creating the worship sound. The third and the biggest mistake is playing songs but not practicing skills. You just jump from one song tutorial to the next on YouTube, and that too without building a solid foundation. With this, you might learn one song, but you can't play any other because you haven't learned the language of worship keyboard. So the fix of these three mistakes are the 5 minutes drill, which is the anchor finger exercise, and the 5 minutes rhythm drill, mastering the boom chick in different chords like C to G, G, A minor and F, and 5 minutes song application. Now apply those drills directly to a song which you're learning. This way you're not just memorizing, you're building real and transferable skills, and you're learning how to play but not how to parrot a tutorial. If you have been making these mistakes, don't worry. I have designed a solution that fixes all of them in a structured, in step-by-step way. I see so many people stuck in this cycle of frustration, and that's exactly why I created Learn Worship Keyboard in 30 days. This isn't just a collection of videos. It's a complete system that takes you from day one to playing full worship songs with confidence. Inside the course, here exactly how we fix these mistakes. For the chord chase, we have dedicated the drills in model number 1 that builds your muscle memory. So chord changes become automatic, and you feel very confident. And for the static left hand, I give you 3 essential left hand patterns and show you exactly when and how to use them in a popular song. And for playing versus practicing, the entire course is built on practice framework, which I showed you. Every lesson has a clear goal and a practice assignment that builds your skills, not just your songs list. You get 30 structured lessons, and every month there will be new lessons released and song workshops like What a Beautiful Name, Goodness of God, and a clear path to finally play with a confidence. The door is open now. The link to enroll is the very first link in the video description below. Stop struggling with the random YouTube videos. Start following a proven path. I have taught these to thousands, and I'm ready to teach you. Click the link in the description. Enroll now and I'll see you inside the course. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. But if you're serious about making real progress, the real transformation happens inside the course. Thanks for watching. Now go and make some joyful noise.